Dear brothers and sisters, do you want all your sins to be wiped out in less than 10 minutes? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. In hadith number 8.414 in Bukhari, Abu Hurairah radiallahu anh reported that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever says Subhanallah wa bihamdihi 100 times a day will be forgiven all his sin, even if they were as much as the foam of the sea. Dear brothers and sisters, this is the blessing and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah does not want us to put through pain and trouble. He wants us to give you a lot for a very little effort from our side. But we have to ask from our heart, not from our tongue. If we can take 10 minutes a day and just recite 100 times, Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive all your sin, which will take less than 10 minutes. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin